Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today we are making a popular street food from Ghana which is called Tubaani. So in my mixing bowl I am adding my black-eyed beans flour or powder, and afterwards I'll be adding some salt, and I'll gently mix the salt and the beans flour together. This popular street food called Tubaani is a good source of protein. So now I am going to add my kanwa, that is potash, which I have dissolved in water. So I'll keep on mixing. This is water that I just added. I'll keep mixing it till it becomes light and fluffy. You can use your hands to do this, but it will take time, so I'll switch to my hand mixer because I have very limited time to prepare this dish. So you may choose to use your mixer, your hand mixer, or your hands to do the whole process. So after about 10 minutes of continuously working on this, the texture is changing, it is fluffy and light, and it has even doubled. So see how it is very light, and this will make it taste so nice. It will not be hard after cooking. So at this point I have my leaves which I'll be using to package it. So I'll just pick 2 of the leaves and I'll scoop some of the paste, and I'll gently fold it so that the paste doesn't leak out. So I'll have to repeat this process for the remaining paste. Please, if you are new to this channel, you are most welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share my video. Now I'm done with the packaging. I'll quickly move to my saucepan, which I have preheated some water, and I gently place in my strainer, and on top of it I'll be placing my tuubani on. The whole process of cooking will take 30 minutes. So from the time of placing this into your saucepan, you have to monitor the time. So in another saucepan, I have just added some chopped onions into my heated coconut oil. So I'm going to fry these onions because I'll be eating my tuubani with the fried onions. So this is how I'm going to fry my onions, a texture that I want it. So after 30 minutes, my tuubani is ready. Now I'm going to remove all from this big saucepan. At this point, I have my knife ready, and I will gently open up the leaves so that I'll cut my tuubani into smaller sizes. It is very hot, so you have to be careful at this stage. So now I'm adding some chili powder, my yaji, and this is made out of peanuts. But if you have your shito, you can use it to eat your tuubani. And if you also have your fried sesame seeds, you can add it. So I'm just going to add the fried onions and the oil. I hope you do try this, and I'll be glad to hear from you after you have made it. Thank you for coming to watch this video. See you next time with great content. Have a nice time and bye.